What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Wes, back at you with another video. Today I'll be showing you some tips and tools on how to grow your channel in 2021. With that being said, let's get it cracking. Starting out as a content creator seems like a high mountain to climb with no tools to help you get to the top. I have something to aid you on your journey. It's called SocialBook. SocialBook is an influencer content creator analysis tool that provides a database of influencers, companies that you can use to help you find influencers and companies that might be in the same field of interest as you. So you can do collaborations and get brand deals and sponsorships. You can also use this for so many other things that I'll explain to you in the video. Let's go over SocialBook and see what tools it provides to help you become a better content creator and grow your channel. Let's get started using SocialBook and showcasing the many tools it provides. Okay, sign up for SocialBook. Once you hit the sign up button, you then choose which path you want to use it for. For video purposes, let's just focus on YouTube. Also, keep in mind, you do not have to pay to sign up for SocialBook. Many of SocialBook's tools are free, unless you want to use their premium services. Once you sign into SocialBook via YouTube, you'll be sent to your homepage that has a slew of different tools and options to select from on the left hand side. Also remember, when you link up your YouTube account on SocialBook, it'll show you your videos, views, comments, thumbnails, along with performance metrics, channel highlights, and suggested price ranges. Okay, so you're signed in and you see your profile area with your videos. Now let's talk about the tools to help you grow your channel. Okay, tool number 1, Tag Researcher. This tool allows you to see what tags other people are using in their videos, which you could piggyback off their SEO. This is very important for content creators to take advantage of in order to increase their discoverability on YouTube. Tags are very important for when people search for videos. When you use a tag that's the same as someone who is well known as a content creator, there's a chance that the YouTube algorithm will bless you and people will discover your channel. To locate this Tag Researcher tool, all you have to do is scroll down on the left hand side of your SocialBook account, click on the growth tools. Once you click on the growth tools, it'll expand and a bunch of other tabs will show up. Scroll down and you should be able to locate the Tag Researcher tool. To use this tool, simply hit the Tag Researcher section. Once you get into the section in the search box, put a tag of your desire. Press search and you'll be able to see who's using the tag and how popular it is. One tip I like to add to this is, what tag you plan to use due to its popularity, look at the top person for that tag and take a look at the other tags that they're using alongside of the tag you search for. Those tags might be useful as well to add to your video, which might help the discoverability of your video. You can click on the other tags that the popular person is using and see how popular that tag is, and this will help determine if you'll use it or not. What's also cool about this feature is you can see which countries search for this tag the most too. So I would highly recommend using this tool for when you're trying to upload a video or even trying to figure out what's the next type of video you'll be recording based on how popular the tag is. Now for the last tool of today that will aid in your channel's growth. The tool is called Competitor Tracker. This tool is very useful to help you get a more detailed view on what people in your field of content creation is doing. What I mean by field is, let's just say you're a gaming content creator and you want some metrics on how other gaming channels, either on your level or on a higher level, are doing. This tool will give you metrics that can help you understand their growth. Just a note to everyone, in order to access the competitor tool, don't forget you have to download the SocialBook YouTube Builder extension. It's a simple and easy extension to download. Just click YouTube Builder and then click the button that says Install SocialBook YouTube Builder. It will then take you to another screen that will give you the option to download the extension. Once you do that, you're good to go. Now head to your YouTube page, not SocialBook page, your YouTube page. This is where you'll locate the competitor tool. So to get started, once you're at your YouTube channel, Go to your YouTube channel studio section, and at the top left under your profile picture, you should see the competitor icon. You can also locate this tool at the top right section of your studio section. Just click the SocialBook icon. Once you do that, a drop down box should appear. Go down and click the tab competitor. Then click it, and then you'll see you create your first competitor list. Once you create your competitor list, you then have to manage your list. Click the manage your list, and then you'll see different sections you can put your search information at. You can search for the names of the channel if you know them. And if you want to go more advanced, you can search by category, how many subscribers they have, country, and keywords. Once you fill all that out, press the search button. You'll get your list of competitors based on what you put in the search box. You'll be able to compare your channel's metrics down to how many views, subs, daily views, and so much more in comparison to theirs. This tool is very good for growing your channel in so many ways. To be honest, I wouldn't only use this tool as a tool to track your competitors. I would highly recommend you use this tool for people to potentially collaborate with. People that are doing the same types of videos as you and has the same amount of subs and views as you. At times, it can be very hard to find who to collaborate with without some sort of assistance. This can be another tool for that. There's a lot more you could do with this tool that I'll explain more in detail in my future videos. But for now, this is the entry level on how to use this tool, and I hope this helped out. Closing, SocialBook has so many tools and features that would help your channel grow at a fast rate, provided you use the things that I suggested today. If you have other tools that are similar to SocialBook, I still suggest you utilize SocialBook to add to your arsenal as a content creator. Trust me, I know it's not easy as a content creator to make it to the top. Us fellow content creators need all the tools we can get. I hope the tips I showed you today helps your channel grow and you continue to move up the totem pole as a content creator. With that being said, this is your boy Wes. I'm out of here. Peace.